Alright guys, welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I got my Second Amendment hat, white shirt, new belt buckle, pants, boots, as I always am. And what you guys are about to see is the truck being respray painted from black. I went from black to army green, then to a baby blue. And you guys will see that all coming soon right now to the video. And I already posted 3 other videos earlier tonight before I came over here to do this video. But hopefully you guys enjoy, and let's get on with it.